What is up? Alright, we're back from my sister's dance competition, and we're going to the gym. Alright, so I took a trade there. It was a short. I marked out the high and lows of the on the day time frame, and I basically took this trade. I entered. Oh jeez, I entered here. There. Shit. I entered there where this red arrow is. Then I held it. This was the fair value gap of, I think, a higher time frame. I kind of forgot which one. I didn't take this trade, but I'll get to that. I marked out the trend. And honestly, just forget about this. I kind of just did that just to do it. But just fix my mouse pad. Alright, yeah. So yeah, I marked out the trend. But that doesn't matter. So I looked at the trend. I saw one high. It hit here. So that's the resistance mark for the day, which was broken, showing that it's going to go high. So you could have held a long position. But, which I should have done. I did kind of predict it, so I just marked it out. I just didn't take the trade. So I entered here. Wait for it to go down. Here I was a little skeptical because I saw 2 bars going up and it broke, this. So I was like, oh, it might just shoot back up. But so I sold. I made 600 overall. I'm down 274. Let's see if I could go to history. Wait, no, it wasn't gold. Orders filled position. Here, this was the. That was it. Yeah, this was awful. Just awful. But this was it. Which I'm happy about. I think that's one of my biggest wins, which I'll take. So I might do either 1 or 2 more trades and hop off for the day. But I did notice it did go up. So. Wait, this is gold. Why am I on gold? Here. Just close out of this. Just remove these. So this was the high for the day. That was the let's set the low. Should just set it a little lower. There. So that's the high and the low. Crazy jump. Whole $2-ish of a jump. Let's check the day time frame. Yeah, it's just huge. Yeah, I think this was just some old. So yeah, it could break here, which I think it could be possible. Yeah, it's just going crazy, man. Did it sweep out this high? No. Let's mark that. Alright, let's go back to the hour. Alright. Just got a couple notifications. Let's go back to the 5-minute. But yeah, I want to say this was like probably one of my best trades I've taken. So, I mean, I made the most, so I'll take it. Oh, I think there is a fair value gap here. I'll mark it out here. earlier. Boom. Alright. We'll see if it retests. I'm planning for it to drop down here. That's what I'm trying to get at. Let's do a change this color to red and the filling to red. So yeah, it's gonna drop from here there. Let's see, sure. Let's just assume again. I like to assume a lot of things. Oh wow. Whoa, it went all the way down here. I'm trading at a 2 ratio right there. I put in 2 bands to get the 600 payout. So alright, I gotta take a quick piss, so give me 1 second. Alright, we are back and ready for action. So I was thinking about getting the the subscription. I was just checking out my videos, just trying to see the independent 80%. Build monthly. 2 charts per tab. Let's just check that. Alright. 2 charts per tab. There. No ads on all of them. 5 indicators. I don't think I need more than 3 at possibly. So 5 indicators. 4 charts. I also don't think I need more charts than 3 at most. 2, 4. Alright. What is 10,000 historical bars? Is that past? Whatever. So these are both 10K historical bars. So there's no difference there. I probably don't need any of this. Watch list alerts. Again, I don't need watch list alert. I could probably just look at it myself. Like again, like you're paying pretty much $60 a month for a watch list alert, so you don't really need that. No ads. I don't really care. Volume profile. All right, probably have to wear that. Custom time frames. Whatever. Test your strategy. This is what I need. That's what I need. Auto chart patterns. It's definitely possible. I mean, here, boom. That's really cheap. I'm gonna see if this retests here. If it doesn't, let me just extend my stop loss like here. I'm gonna see if it retests, but my sister's calling my mom. 4 days. But how long is the discount? Like, this is really worth. But at the same time, that is really worth it. Is the TradingView independence day sale per minute? Seems to be consolidating within the fair value gap. Let's check this out. Wait, which one is essential? That. Like, I low-key might text my dad and see if I can buy it. Well, I'm gonna text him right now. Let's see if we could get an answer. Okay, so it's pretty, yeah, it's just kind of hovering right there. We'll see what happens in a second. Wait, let's look up what is the best trading view plan. Okay, let's just figure out what I need and want. Alright, what I need is backtesting, which it has. All of them have it. Chart data support. Includes ticker symbol. I don't need that. Volume candles, what is this? Oh, the skinnier and the... Nah. Tick-based intervals I don't need. Auto chart patterns aren't going to help. Professional market data, I mean, how often am I going to use that? Second based or... I don't need that. Again, I don't even know what that is. And, this is really, like, all I need in the, manual one. What is parallel chart connections? If there's something that closes under here, then I'll take it. And then I'll figure something out if I'll cancel or... Oh, jeez. Alright. We might be catching the back testing. That's really all I need. And we'll literally back test, not back text. We'll see what my dad says. Taiwanian Stock Exchange. Can I like tilt it on? Let's get that New York NASDAQ. Alright. We'll get to that. We'll see what he says. If he says yes, that's gonna be fire. Because I have multiple strategies I want to test out. And you can't. Because freaking, you know, you can't backtest. See what he says. He said yes. He said yes. Let's just make sure I'm not leaking any information. But I can't really do it. I don't want to like leak his face and like that. Oh, kind of leaked his face a little bit. Sorry. But yeah, he said yes. Let's go. Let's hit him with the thank you. Pray emoji. Alright, because he knows, he wants me to do this shit. Like, he's, like, all for me, like, really just committing to this trading shit on top of school and whatnot. Like, he really wants me to, like, if I get real good at this shit, bro, he wants me to do the, he wants me to do funded, live accounts, bro. He's down for it. Of course, with my money, but, yo. Shit's gonna be fire. Okay. Let's just ask the GPT about my fair value gaps. Chat. I think I used it earlier. Yeah, I did use it earlier tonight. What are your thoughts on this trade that I might take? I will take it if there is a telltale sign that it will be bearish past the top fair value gap. Okay, what are ChatGPT's thoughts on this? Pros. Wow. Yeah. Okay. This is what I'm waiting for like a confirmation. This is right. This is correct. Let's just check out like gold and just other things. Wow. Just set up a let's hit it like here, on there. Shit is looking bullish as hell. We got the low, high, lower, or higher low, higher high, higher high, higher low, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Blah, blah. So if it continues at its pace, shit should be going up. So imagine stop loss down here, and then like that's fire, but that would never happen. Oh, gotta get my cracks back. Just my lower back's been hurting. This is not worth trading because for an actual freaking profit, I need to put in or have like a crazy amount of movement. This is looking pretty nice. $2,000, but it's again not worth my time because I don't have good profit. Same thing with this. Crypto, out of the question. Forex, I don't really know how to trade Forex. I don't know like what factors, like oil, I have an idea. Anything economy wise, I have an idea. Like gold based off the dollar, yeah, I mean there's more factors, but like I could just read about that. You heard? Don't mind this. These were all stupid trades. Okay, so we marked our highs. Four hours. The hour. Like, what if long position enters here after a couple days? Boom. Boom. Create limit order. Put in. Damn, that's not a lot of money. 2,000. Like, bro, that's a nice amount of money. But I'm also losing a lot. So we're just gonna let that ride. Oil is the method. So wait, on the day it shows that it is going up, and I don't think it's gonna drop this far, right? Realistically. So if we wanted to, we could hit like a long and just hold it for the day, but it would have to hit here, which is definitely possible. Let's just see the yeah, I mean that's a nice chunk of money, but I want to hit these. When's the market closing? In an hour. It's not really worth any trades, but I kind of still want to document my thought process, my previous trade. So yeah. So like once I do get this TradingView stuff, let's just see. Let's bring this up. Let's just see. What do I want to do? TradingView discount code. I'm not gonna buy the shit, but living What is this? Today's best offer. Load that coupon. Copy. I mean, that's still a good amount of money. It's only 4. Alright, whatever. We'll get to that next time. Still crazy proud of this trade. I could have taken this one, but what can you do? So let's just see. I don't think it's been going down, but I'm gonna let it ride for now. Imagine this shit just drops, like, literally just shits everything and just drops. Let's see, I look, want to change the colors of my candlesticks. Purple isn't looking bad, pink isn't looking bad. I low-key mess with the orange. like goldish. I low-key mess with that. Oh, no, I don't want that. Zero wicks, just. I low-key mess with that. I do kind of wish. Border. It's like add a darker shade of orange. Something about it, I don't know. Let's just copy this. Yeah, I like that green. Yeah, why not? Well, guys, honestly, I might not take a trade for today. Maybe not even tomorrow because my sister has a dance competition that day too, but we'll see. If anything, I'll document it. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching the video. Take those trades smart. Hopefully you had a good trading day today. And yeah, stay blessed. Have a good one.